which is why we got to get some winches down there and get ready for what could possibly be a very difficult recovery. We're talking like close to a 100,000-pound semi-truck completely buried in the mud. Here's our game plan. We're basically going to take the big spool of cable, run it out here to a dry patch, the dry spot we can find, somewhere where we can kind of set up the 5-ton and anchor it and get the winch lines all ran out, and we'll see what happens. We'll probably start with the loader actually first, move it, and then move on to the semi.
That was impressive. In your mouth. Weird.
Anytime we got to unload this giant winch line, you know a party's about to start. So as you can see, if you look at the semi truck right here, our biggest risk right now is once we are able to start pulling it, which we're still not even there yet, but once we get there, the truck is going to want to tip, and that hay has a high center of gravity. So if we tip the truck over with the hay, that's not good. That's a lot of money in hay sitting right there.
Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about, Hands.